On 20th July, the Director General of Health Services, Ministry of Health, wrote a letter to state authorities stating that the public is using the N95 masks inappropriately. DGHS Rajiv Garg in the letter said, use of valved N95 masks are not safe and can spread coronavirus. I will tell you about the N95 masks. N95 respirator is used to protect the person from airborne particles and from liquid contaminants. N95 masks filter 95% of airborne particles. The edges of the respirator form a seal around the nose and mouth and are mainly designed for healthcare workers. They are also used at construction sites to protect the person from dust particles. But there are some types of N95 masks that are not as beneficial. There are some N95 masks that have a one-way valve. One-way valve do not filter the water droplets coming out of your mouth and risk spread of infection. This is not safe. A perfect face mask should prevent you from catching a respiratory illness and should also protect others. A N95 mask that has a two-way valve can filter out particles during both inhaling and exhaling. However, these are mostly used by health professionals as they are more exposed to infected patients. The government issued an advisory in April saying, while coming out, people can use homemade masks. The advisory said that any cotton cloth can be used. The color of the cloth is not important. But it is important that cloth is washed in salted boiling water for 5 minutes and dried well before making the face cover. The mask should fit the face well and there should be no gaps on the sides. It advised people to wash their hands thoroughly before wearing the face cover. When the face cover gets damp or humid, it should be changed and a fresh mask should be used. Or if you want to reuse the mask, you can wash it and then use it. Cloth masks without cleaning should never be reused. Never share the face cover with anyone. Every member in the family should have a separate face cover.